I propose.
Yes, I do. Ang ganda.
I know you showed me your affection, but I was looking for perfection. So I moved on and on and on to someone new, as if no one knew what I was going through. I know you think I'm just pretending, and that I can't rewrite the ending, but you move on and on and on to someone new. Isn't how you find the one, and I am through with playing games. Ooh, you are not just the flavor of the day. This time you are more than the flavor of the day.
So where are we going then?
Back over the bridge, yeah?
Okay, let's go there. Maybe on the other side, they have a... So yung magkabila na to, yung daan na to guys, yung magkabila, puro shops. Tapos pag pumasok ka, pwede ka mag-coffee, makikita mo yung view sa view ng river. Kaso, ayaw nilang magpapasok kung hindi ka kakain. Kung coffee lang, ayaw nila. They don't like if you're going order coffee. Eh, ayaw naman namin kumain pa. Japanese restaurant sila dyan, izakaya. Dahan-dahan ka anak, baka malaglag ka. Wow, look at that. Should have coffee here. Nak, malaglag ka. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito guys. Maingay lang. Look, ayan si Adrian. Na-amaze na sa Wow! I'm afraid to drop my phone. Ang ganda naman. Babe, hello. I'll take your photo and we'll now just do that. Ang ganda dito guys, nakaka-relax naman dito. Si Adrian, nagre-relax. Babe, hindi kami marinig sa lakas nitong sa lakas ng ng ilog. Babe, babe.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleep. Think I've had enough. I've been gone but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me, kinda strange how I can take a beat from my better self. It's like no one else even really spread
person in Bath who wants to be here the most.
What's in there? What's in there?
It's just
Why
a
can't
pit.
they make it like a football?
Ang lakas ng hangin. Kasi nga may darating na storm mamaya. Sana wag umulan naman ang todo para ma-enjoy naman namin yung pamamasyal. Hindi ako makapagsalita doon kanina kasi sobrang lakas ng alon. Dami ding mga tourist dito. So guys, tapos na kami mamasyal doon. Medyo malakas yung hangin doon eh. Maghahanap kami, babalik kami, maghahanap kami ng kakainin. Kasi kumain na kami kanina ng umusad bago kami umalis ng bahay. Pero tanghali na ngayon kaya gutom na kami. Maghahanap kami ng makakainan. Kanina sana meron kami nakitang kakainan doon. Kaya medyo maaga pa. Gusto namin maglakad-lakad muna. Ayun yung dalawa, nagkukulitan sa likod ko.
Skip it. Just skip it.
What is it?
Man, it's beautiful here.
Oh, it's not too windy here.
There was just still the stairs to go up back there, but
Where?
back there. Let's have a look around here. Look.
I'm hungry now, babe.
Yeah, all right, we'll get food in a minute.
I'm hungry now. Eh, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng mga bahay, yung mga building. Talagang, wow, that's the bell. Yung tinuturo ko kanina. That's the cathedral again. Busy ako, nagbablog pa ako, babe. Ako. So, ayan guys, ang ganda ng ang hina pa yung kumakalembang. Ang ganda ng puno na to pag namulaklak. Kanina pa kumakalembang yung simbahan. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras matatapos yun. Tagal pala. Hello. Naayos ni Adrian yung camera. So guys, andito kami ngayon sa sa restaurant. Andito kami ngayon sa restaurant. Sa The Architect. Hintay lang namin yung order namin. Buti may space sila dito, pinapasok kami. Yung dalawa, oh. Masakit pa yung tiyan ko. May tamis na in the mood. Sakit-sakit ang tiyan ko. So guys, ayan, ang laki ng chicken. Ang laki ng order ko. Parang di ko mauubos to. Ang laki naman. Sa'yo ba malaki din? Oh, kay daddy, ano kay daddy? Lamb naman siya. Lamb naman siya. Thank you. It's alright. Oh, thank you. This one. Oh, no, sorry. That's yours. So, guys, kain po tayo. Kain po tayo. Makain na kami. So, guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Naubos ko din kahit gaano ka, ano, kahit gaano. Ang ganda ng view, oh. You're not enjoying her dessert. Daddy is full.
I am very full. I thought I could definitely do a sticky toffee pudding, but I'll save myself for later.
I wonder if you hear me, 'cause I've been crying out. I wanna have you near me.
That's Abby, babe, right?
Yeah. Put it in bag. So Rihanna's eating dinner. That's going to save me some money, isn't it?
How I feel later.
I'm sure she should have more energy now.
I think I have too much money.
Ay, salamat naman at maaraw ngayon. I will take your photo there, Rihanna. Bukas pupunta kami dito. Ito nang papasukin namin tomorrow. Okay, babe. Adrian, you and Rihanna. Rihanna, babe. You and Rihanna stand there. I will take a thumbnail. So, okay. Ang daming mga tourists, guys. Ang daming mga turista. Sobrang busy. It's busy today.
Yeah. Yeah, Rihanna says it's always busy here. She knows.
There's 5 guys there.
It's always busy everywhere. That's not actually too far from the truth.
Ang ganda naman ng pwesto ng giggling seed na yan. Giggling squid. So maglalakad-lakad kami, guys, para naman matagtag yung kinain namin. So maglalakad-lakad kami, guys, kahit na ngayon ang malamig kasi nasa shades kami. Nasa lilim kami kaya malamig-lamig. Ang lakas ng hangin. Pero pag humangin, pag sa tapat ka ng araw tsaka dun humangin, hindi masyadong malamig. Busog na busog ako, naubos ko yung pagkain. Hindi na nga ako naka-order ng dessert eh. Si Rio na lang in-order ko. Oh my God! Parang tatangayin ako ng hangin. Famous chain Austin. Can you take me a video?
She wants a video here.
So pupunta kami, guys, sa The Crescent. Isa din yun sa tourist spot dito.
She needs to practice so that you come second last.
Grabe, pataas na kami ng pataas. Ang taas na pala, kaya pala hinihingal na ako. Ang taas na nitong nalakad namin. Gay Street Circus. Ang tawag pala dito sa lugar na to, Gay Street Circus. Pabilog yung mga building niya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Let's have photo here. Remy and Rihanna film here and Rihanna. Pabilog.
That was a real, what's his name?
Ang ganda. Tapos ito naman dalawang kasama ko busy sa ano, ang bigat ng dalawa kong bag. Andito lahat ng aking mga ano, yung mga battery, camera. Hindi ko pa nga dala yung isa kong dati nung hindi pa ako nagba-vlog, lagi kong dala-dala yung malaking camera na ano, mahilig kasi ako mag-picture. Hindi SLR. Eh ngayon nung nag-vlog na ako, hindi ko na siya nagagamit. Minsan nga nakakalimutan ko kumuha ng picture eh. Ang ganda oh. Hello guys! Eto, nag-enjoy kami today. Ewan ko na si Rio na nag-enjoy ka ba na?
Yeah.
This is a moment. One day when you get very old, diba? Makikita mo yung video natin.
Yeah.
Pagtanda na ni Mami at Daddy, lalo na si Mami, makikita mo yung mga old videos natin.
Sorry, can we have a look at this plate?
Come here, nak. Dito tayo, anak, sa tabi. So, ito na nga yung The Royal Crescent. Babe. Wow. So, yan nga guys. Dito sinut yung ibang episode ng Bridgerton. Ewan ko kung tama i-pronounce ko ha. Lagi ko pinanonood yun nun. Ganda. Ang daming tourist guys. So, ayan yung mga nandoon pa. Mga nagpipicture-picture. Daming mga turista. It's not muddy. Oh, hindi naman muddy na. Babe, it's so expensive to live here.
Yeah.
But every day, the view is all of people.
Yeah.
Kasi ang ganda eh.
With playing games. You are not just a flavor of the day. This time you are more than the flavor of the day.
What is it? What is your question?
Where would you like to go for dinner?
I thought you're going to tell me like...
Would you marry me again?
Pose.
I'm going to propose.
Okay, we're going to...
I
He's gonna propose because he hasn't proposed.
I propose a toast.
Yes. Yes, I do.
You do what?
Yes, I do, babe. I do.
You do?
I do.
Do what?
I do love Chicken Joy. I do love Jollibee. I do love you. Oh, what are you going to say? Are you going to give me something or what?
No, sorry, I don't have anything. You're right there, hanging out.
Watch me practice punching bag.
Okay. Diyan pa kayo mag-punching bag ni Daddy. So guys, pababa na kami. Nakakatuwa kasi umaaraw. Ayun. Sabi nga may storm pero parang pawala na. Ayun, nakakatuwa because at least it's a nice day, babe.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying
It's
it
alright.
really.
I never really explored. I wasn't.
Oh yeah. So guys, tingnan nyo yung mga building dito. Ang ganda oh. Nakakatuwa. So babalik na kami doon.
I wonder if they make the bread themselves.
Maliwanag, maraming tao. Siguro maganda sa gabi. Maalat yung tinapay. Malapit lang yung hotel namin dito. Diyan na ilang lakad lang. So, andito kami sa parang mga shops dito. So, busy guys. So, ayun yung dalawa sa Bubble City. Riona! Ay, nakapila naman silang dalawa. Ayan yung Hotel Chocolate. Hotel Chocolate. Puro mga chocolate siya. Ang dami ding mga shops dito guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Daming shops. Tsaka yung mga nadaanan namin kanina. Ang daming mga tinda, mga shops. Ayan na naman yung dalawa. You done? Really? I'm going there. Nakakatuwa naman, daming mga chocolate. White.
The milk collection.
White milk.
And then 2 more.
Strawberry
I want to get like strawberry, what are you on about?
Get the hard
I
one.
want to get a hot passion fruit though.
I know.
Some champagne,
I don't like passion fruit.
champagne truffle.
Yeah.
And wonder what the most popular one is.
Ang dami guys, iba-ibang mga chocolate. Maybe this one, oh, with nuts. Oh, that one, oh, with orange. You know, I love it with nuts.
Oh, they got macadamia.
Ay, that one, yes. I did not see it. That's good, babe. Good job, my love. Very nice. Decor?
Oh yeah, chocolate flavour look.
Really?
Yeah, chocolate mint and then espresso martini.
See if you can make chocolate alcohol, you can make protein alcohol.
You try it?
Yes, let's try that one. Meron palang gano'n, no? Iba-iba siya ng, may flavor siya ng alcohol. Pero chocolate siya. Ayan, ang laki naman ng mga chocolate na yan, display. Ang laki naman ng mga chocolate na yan, display. It's not real.
No, but you can get a look like that one up there. Look, the chocolate.
Oh yeah, that's fine. So guys, mag-coffee muna kami dito. Malapit na kami sa hotel. Pero gusto namin magkape. We want to have coffee.
Yeah, chocolate.
Let's check kung ano mga nabili natin. Ito mga iba-ibang klaseng selection ng chocolate. I think this is gonna be my... So, ayan guys, we're getting ready for dinner. Lalabas kami. Are you ready, babe?
I'm almost ready.
Pagod si babe. So, gabi na dito guys. Mag-8 PM na. 8 PM. Pero medyo maliwanag pa. Pupunta na kami doon sa restaurant. Wow! Look at that! Napabalik yung ano. Oh, this is... Did we walk here earlier? Oo, iba naman tong street guys, yung nilalakaran namin. So this is like a mall, babe.
They're called arcades. Just like a street that goes through buildings.
Wow. Okay, yun palang restaurant. Thank you. Okay. She would love that.
So they got one with lamb.
I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I still know you inside out. That is why you. When I'm not. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I need to stop.